Hi, I'm Ray. This is Gardening Online, and this channel is all about growing your own fruits and vegetables with some flowers and some DIY projects. Today it's raining again. We've had some lovely weather and now it's just decided to rain. So I've decided to come indoors, and if you can hear me, then I'm going to do my potatoes. Now these potatoes are from Erica's Little Welsh Gardens challenge, and the challenge was to grow a biggest yield from a kilo of potatoes from shops. So these came from Co-op, and I paid about £1 a bag, which was £2 in total. And I don't remember the name of what they were called, but there was a video of me showing them, so I'll add a link above. But I'm going to plant these. These have been out chitting and they're going a bit greenish now, and they've got some chits on, so we're going to get them in, but we're not doing them outside, we're doing them in some pots. So let me show you what we're going to do. So we've got the old dog basket out today, and we've got some old compost. This is compost that we used on some potatoes last year, and we're just going to reuse it again. But what I'm going to do is going to give it some slow release fertiliser. This is bone meal, and this is just from the pound shop. So just going to give some of this compost a bit of life. And also, while we're at it, we've got this potato fertiliser, and this was also from the pound shop. So I'm just going to mix some of this in. And give it a go. Give it a bit of regeneration. And then we can start planting in the pots. Good job to do while it's wet outdoors. There we go. So that's all we're going to do for this. And then we're going to take our pots. And we've got a few pots lined up. Here's our potatoes. This is all the ones that we've got. As you can see, they're turning a bit green, so we needed to get them in a bit. So this is the buckets we're going to use, and I'm just going to put a little layer at the bottom, and we're going to put 3 potatoes in each bucket. So 1, 2, 3, and we're just going to fill it up to the top. And we're going to let it grow. And these are going to go outside in the garden. There we go. So that's my first bucket. So check out Erica's Little Welsh Garden and her challenge and get involved, and that'd be great. So I'm going to continue now, do the rest of my buckets while it's still raining, and then I'll show you them outside if it stops. So I've seen this method being used by Tony Stevens on Simplified Gardening, and he's covered his buckets with a straw mulch. So we've got this straw and it's come from the farm. It's probably do the job, and we're just going to stick some of this around the top, and this will allow the moisture to stay in and keep it damp. So we're going to continue and do all our buckets in this way, adding the straw mulch on top, and then the potato plants can grow up through. Good job. So one final tip we've also picked up from Tony from Simplified Gardens is we're putting a fence, a trellis or kind of netting above the buckets, so when the plants grow, they grow in between the holes and then they're held upright, they don't flop over, and they don't end up back in the bucket. So we've added this bit of trellis here, and hopefully that will do the job. So we look forward to seeing if these grow. So please check out the following channels: Simplified Gardening and Erica, Little Welsh Garden. That would be great. So have you done buckets this way? Have you used straw? It would be interesting to know. And watch and see how this goes on. Moment, shall we? So I'm going to get back in the tunnel as it's a bit blowy and the camera's going to fall over. So thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. So thank you very much. Cheers.